Did you know that you can combine some images directly in the Finder just by a few clicks? I select these 4 images, type Command Space for Spotlight and type Combine. And there you can see the shortcut action from the newest macOS, Combine Images. And I type Enter, and now I select the 4 items, and I can select horizontal, or if I don't want it, delete it, and I can select something other like this one. And hit Enter. The result I have to drag and drop into my Finder. That's okay, but there's a better way with more options. I select these 4 images, make a right click and select Quick Actions, and there it is. There's an own shortcut, Combine and Resize. I start it and I can select the mode like this one, and I can type the space between the images. And then I can resize my final image, like this one. Okay, there's my combined image with some space between and with a width of 2000 pixels. And in this video, I will show you how you can access this shortcut step by step. It's really easy. And of course, you can download this shortcut and many others from my Patreon website. So let's start. Open the app Apple's Shortcuts, and there you will find a plus button for a new shortcut. First, rename your shortcut so you will be able to find it later. For example, Resize and Combine. Okay. If you click on this icon, you can select a color or an icon. But this doesn't matter. But what matters, switch to this menu on the right side and select Use as Quick Action and select the option Finder. And then click on Apps and 18 more and disable everything instead of images. I select all and deselect all and select the images. And now switch to the Action menu and search for Combine. There's the action, Combine Images. Double click on it and then you can make some adjustments. For example, this mode, this, or if you want to be flexible, take Ask Each Time. Then click on this little arrow and there you can select a space between your images. But if you want to flexible again, you can make a right click and select this one, and there you will find Ask Each Time. And next, we need to resize our image. Search for Resize, and there you will find the action Resize Image. Double click on it, and there you can set a size from your final image, but you can be flexible again. Just delete this number and make a right click and select again this option and the option Ask Each Time. And finally, we want to save our image, and for that, switch the menu and select Provide Output. And now we have to test our shortcut. Close Shortcuts and open your Finder. Select your images, make a right click and select Quick Actions. There you will find your shortcut and you're ready to go. This is really helpful if you have to combine and resize many pictures every day. And of course, with this shortcut and many other shortcuts, you can set up your own workflow so you can speed up your own workflow. For more, follow me on YouTube, and if you want, follow me on Patreon. There you can get many other shortcuts for downloading. So, see you next time. Bye bye.